Good morning. It's Donna, and I just wanted to do a quick little video. A lot of people don't seem to realize how they can actually adjust their needle position on their Janome Skyline machines. I have the S7. The S5 is slightly different, but it is because it's a different button that you press. But how you do that is, and I've got the screen here, so I'll show you, and then I'll show you the needle moving. You just press this over and press it, and you can possibly hear that the needle is moving. Let me see if I can get the sound off real quick. And you can also watch on the S7, this stitch line, it'll move over. Now, because this is a 9mm machine, remember that 4.5 is your center position instead of the 3.5 on potentially a previous machine that you would have had that would have been a 7mm, and if it was a 5mm machine, which is fairly old, it would be 2.5. Now let's go watch the needle actually move. Okay, see if we can get this in here a little bit. Moving it over to the right. See it now? It's all the way over. Let's move it over to the left. Now it's all the way over to the left. An easy way to center it, if you don't want to have to click it everywhere, is just select another stitch and then come back and it will automatically center it. Also, if your needle is down and you go to move it, notice that it's not going, you're not hearing it move or seeing it move. So I'm actually taking it all the way up to 9. So when I take my needle up, it should jump all the way over to the right. So let's try this. Nope, it jumped back to the, hold on, needle down. Let's try this. When I had the needle down and I adjusted it all the way over to the right, when I brought it up, you saw that it jumped all the way over. So I'm going to put my needle down now, and I'm going to take it all the way back to 0, so that when I take the needle up next time, it should jump all the way over to the left position. So give me just a second. Okay, now it's set to 0, so we should be able to watch it jump over. And now, as you can see, the needle is all the way over to the left. So, I hope you learned a little bit about your machine today. Have fun. Talk to you later. Bye.